Hi traders, Nathan Bray here. Let's review a few trades that were broadcast out earlier in the week, Sunday and Monday. So let's have a look at the euro against the US dollar. And you can see our own Duncan Cooper has broadcast out the euro reaching a major level of previous resistance and failing and continuing in line with this trend. And then about a day later, he's looked at the pound dollar. So we've got euro dollar and pound dollar behaving in a very similar fashion. Now, to start off with, let's look at the logic behind it on a bigger scale. So if this is the Dixie, so this is the US dollar index against the major currencies, and this is on a weekly chart. So we can see it's been in a strong uptrend, this US dollar. And as it began to weaken over the next month, we really saw this previous level of resistance right around 105, 104, 999 type level. It was holding. So even though we got a weakening US dollar, correcting or consolidating for about a month, we're still seeing that level hold. And this week, we've seen a big move up from that key previous level of resistance to, at this stage, still continue the strength in this US dollar. So on Monday, Duncan's posted out that trade on the euro dollar, and you can see this was the level. So if we're seeing a correction in the US dollar, which is going to then continue in line with its trend, we're seeing the inverse reaction occur with the euro against the US dollar. So this level of major support in line with this downtrend, is that going to become resistance? Now, for a couple of weeks there, the euro did consolidate sideways. So once we saw price get up and fail there, it failed there one day, it failed there a second day, whether you're looking at shorter term trades or looking to swing trade or looking at longer term trades, this was therefore considered a key level. And as Duncan pointed out, we have seen a fairly significant move down at this point, about 260 pips down from there. And in fact, this level that he was pointing out of support, okay, at 101.22, that is being tested at the moment, it's breaking through. So are we then going to look now moving forward this week at this key level of support perhaps becoming resistance and continuing the move down? Or are we going to move back up into that consolidation period? With that same logic being said, there was also the pound dollar. It was being broadcast out. So you can see here, this level at 121.55 on the cable. Price was trying to get above it. There's a lot of uncertainty there, but we had numerous occasions where once it failed underneath this level, okay, we saw it move down. Then it tried to come up and retest that same level of resistance, okay, that Duncan was pointing out. But once we saw price start to fail back below this level of support in line with the trend, we have then this week seen a really nice test, a good trade set up, and it moved all the way back down to retest that support. So anybody who wants to join the Telegram, please don't hesitate to contact me at nathan.bray@acy.com. Look forward to hearing from you traders, and have a great week.